Hello everyone, I am Katarina. I'm super excited to be here. I'm bringing you some fantastic, very exciting news. I am participating in the upcoming Cardmaking Success Summit. It is so exciting, it really is. I love being a part of this journey. This is my second time participating in this event, and this one will run from the 26th of February through to the 1st of March 2026. And it is a fantastic online card making event. So if you have not heard of it, just very quickly, very briefly, I am going to describe it for you. So 27 fantastic speakers, there are some big names involved in it too, who are sharing their wonderful makes, their experience and their enthusiasm through their card making tutorials. If you have not yet heard about the Cardmaking Success Summit, just very briefly, I'm going to introduce it to you. It's a fantastic online card making event where over 20, almost 30 fantastic speakers will be sharing their experience with you. They're sharing some amazing tutorials, card making ideas, tips and tricks, and lots of freebies up for grabs too. So make sure you register. You do need to register for this. It's completely free. All you have to do is click in the link I left for you in the description box below, and you just have to fill out a quick form and the ticket will be delivered to you, to your email address. So what that means for you is that for the day when the certain speakers appear, because for those 4 days the speakers will be split into groups, so a certain amount of these speakers videos will be shared on the 26th, some other speakers on the 27th, some on the 28th, and so on. So on that day, for the 24 hours, you will be able to watch those speakers videos completely for free. You don't have to pay anything. You can also download some amazing freebies that each speakers are offering, so make sure that you take advantage of. All you have to do is register by clicking on the link in the description box below. I can say with the most certainty that I do believe this is a fantastic event to be participating in. It is so amazing, not only for learning from all the different creators and the speakers who are participating. They are bringing so much to this, honestly, the experience, the tips and tricks, and obviously all the different ideas, but also for connecting with other crafters. Whether you're a beginner or a more advanced crafter, there is something for everyone in this. Honestly, it is really, really beautiful event. And I feel honored to have been invited again. And I do think that I did it justice with my make. I'm bringing you something pretty, floral, sparkly, of course. I cannot wait to read or hear your thoughts on this, so make sure that you do click on that link in the description box below and register for those free tickets. Oh, and before I go, there's also live Q&As that will be happening. I know I signed up for one, so you will be able to join me one of these evenings, and I will come back closer to the time. I will confirm the date and the time with you on that one. Well, yeah, grab your tickets and I'll see you there. So excited. I'll leave you with some pictures here about the event, and thank you so much for watching. I will be back very soon with some more info, and until then, bye.